Hey there, this is Rob. Just wanted to go over and see what Bigfoot did for today. When I started the strategy, started at about 9:05 this morning. It jumped into a short and hit target, and then I had accidentally left my counter trends on because I was preparing for a webinar, so I had them on. So I it took a long there and it hit target, so it was up two trades, which is generally what we're trying to achieve for the day. And then I turned them off because I didn't want to take any more counter trend trades because that was a mistake. I didn't want to have it continue to take counter trend even though they can be decent. So then it took a short, and so at that point it was up 30 ticks, and then it took another long way over here, and at that point it was up 40 ticks, which is super good and generally all we can hope for. And then it took a stop around 11:16 or so, and then just a little while ago it took a long, so it got back into that 40 tick range. So that definitely accomplished more than we would expect. Again, we're just trying to get a couple of winners under our belts, and then we'll live to trade another day. So we'll have a look at the one tick and see how that did. Okay, this is our one tick. So if we're looking at how that would have fared overnight, it would have had a nice short winner, and then this shorty looks like it would have been a small stop. This shorty would have been nice. This one wouldn't have worked out. This long would have been fine. So then when it got into when it actually turned on, the first two trades were winners. So it was able to accomplish its ticks early. We were looking to net out two winners, so it was able to do that in the first two trades. And then we caught a stop and then another stop, and so it ended up getting knocked down, and then it was able to catch another winner about 10:48 or so, and then that was pretty much it. I think it just got chopped around this here. I was actually looking at some different settings for target or how it gets in, just because it's just getting into a winning trade a little bit too early, and so that's why the two tick can do better, because it's going to let that little jiggle in the market work itself out before the two tick ends up getting into a trade. For the smaller moves, yeah, the one tick can catch it, but you also, when it's a general nice bounce area, if you get in a little bit too early, it can stop you out before the trade gets going. So that's why the two tick was able to perform better today. The one tick ended up flat and down in some chop later on, but as far as what it was able to accomplish in the morning, it was able to hit the couple of winners right off the bat. All right, if you are around later on, we're going to have the Ninja Trader webinar, and if you can't make it, we will post it on our YouTube channel. Okay, thanks all. Have a good one.